That PDZ file is a PIPE-FLO Compressible project, a fluid flow simulation used in pipeline engineering. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and manage this specialized engineering project. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor PDZ errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A PDZ file is a project file created by PIPE-FLO Compressible, an engineering simulation software for modeling compressible gas flow in piping systems. It stores the complete pipeline model, including pipe segments, components, gas properties, boundary conditions, and simulation results. PDZ files follow engineered software's PIPE-FLO Compressible project format, storing pipeline topology, component specifications, fluid properties, and simulation parameters in a proprietary binary, or XML-based structure. The format is compatible only with PIPE-FLO Compressible and related tools. We suggest testing the PDZ file first with the utility PIPE-FLO Professional from Engineered Software, Inc. Windows allows basic viewing, but true content manipulation requires a specialized application. Windows doesn't display full design details, so reviewing these files properly requires CAD-capable software. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your PDZ file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with PIPE-FLO Professional if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. When your PDZ file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The stubbornness of this PDZ file requires decisive action. Run these specific tests right now to determine the exact failure point. First, open with PIPE-FLO. Compressible. PDZ files require PIPE-FLO Compressible software from Engineered Software, Inc. Install the application and use File. Open to load the PDZ project file. The software will render the pipeline schematic and make all simulation parameters and results available for analysis and modification. Next, check software version compatibility. If the PDZ file fails to open, verify it was created with a compatible version of PIPE-FLO Compressible. Engineered software updates project file formats between major versions. Contact Engineered Software's technical support for guidance on opening PDZ files created in older application versions. Finally, contact Engineered Software support. If standard troubleshooting fails, contact Engineered Software, Inc. Technical support directly. They can assist with PDZ file recovery, version migration, and provide updated software versions. Project data may also be recoverable by importing pipeline parameters manually from printed simulation reports. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.